Nice to meet you. Oh, nice. So you got that one done already, huh?
So
What is this called? The crab fried rice.
the crab fried rice, the sauce is like aerated. After you try the taste, you don't see it's like everywhere else. My hand is sweat already come with.
Okay. Very cool. What kind of crab is this?
Then
Oh, Dungeness crab. Dungeness crab. Ooh-wee. What type of cuisine?
so like Vietnamese, Japanese, you can.
Okay, this is your own type of,
It's my own recipe.
your own recipe. So this is only your own fried rice.
This egg is my egg.
Okay.
I re-ate too. So you can see.
Oh, yeah. Look at that
Right,
egg.
my hand is watery, don't worry. So
Wow.
some my fruit, you see the egg,
Yeah.
see the yolk.
Yeah.
It's not like not just any egg you can see, right?
Yeah, I can see that. You can see the yolkiness.
It's not like the egg you get out there.
Who here just prepared this dish? What do you call your dish here again?
Uncle T crab fried rice. Uncle T is my name.
Uncle
so-
T crab fried rice. Smells and looks absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
This one's not spicy.
Yeah, this is garlic, crispy. So, okay, take a seat. I will bring the
Okay.
food for you. It's right here. You don't mind.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Let me get you the plate. Spoon.
Yeah, eat it fresh right away. I'm just gonna say Vu's crab fried rice.
Yeah.
Guys, you take a look at this here. It's the Dungeness crab, and then the eggs and the rice. Super excited. Yeah.
Everything has to be together.
Okay, everything has to be good. So I'm just gonna get a scoop of rice.
You open it, you will see I cut it for already.
Okay.
But you do it right time when I have time.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I like to eat the inside first. I'm not
See?
sure what you
I
do.
know,
You do
I
the same
know.
thing?
I do the same thing.
You just get some of that sauce, like that?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
just put some of the sauce inside. Okay. Picking that up. Oh yeah, look at that. First bite with Vu's crab fried rice with the crab first. Oh yeah. Oh. The pure crabbiness, spectacular. Wow. Oh, that is yummy. Yeah, but I want to chase it with that rendition of his rice. Oh yeah. The rice, sweet, a little bit salty, a little spicy. Almost tastes like this, like alamang in a Filipino cuisine. In Chinese cuisine, there's something called exo sauce, like a fried fermented shrimp, saltiness to it, and that is absolutely delicious. That's what this rice reminds me. Malai chan, exo fried shrimp paste sauce.
Yeah, but that's the fire right there.
That's one of the egg?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, for sure, I believe you. Look at that yolkiness of the egg. That is one of the best perfectly cooked eggs I've seen.
Yeah.
Oh,
Told you. Right?
oh my goodness.
Fried rice without an egg.
Yeah.
It's not perfect.
Amazing.
You have to. I told you have to eat it together. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh man, the food is absolutely delicious. It's amazing. It's stunning. I want to keep going.
Egg. You know how long to make that egg?
How long to make that?
10 hours.
10 hours.
You have to let it outdoor.
Yeah.
Like outside.
I'm gonna bite this knuckle right here.
Yeah.
This crab knuckle. Just gonna bite into that and get some of that crab meat. It's already dressed with the sauce. Look, you got some microgreens on here for nice color in the greens. I like the microgreens. Here we go. Oh. Oh wow.
You see different seafood, right?
Oh man.
You see different like.
Oh me. Oh my. That is incredible. This is
Come out from COVID.
something you came up with.
Yeah, comes
Yeah.
with the COVID.
It comes with the COVID. So he prepared everything during COVID times and kind of built and trained and prepared this whole beautiful dish here.
Because I keep cooking and ask my friend how it's like, how they like it. Or you can have Filipino or
Filipino, Japanese,
Malaysian or Singapore.
Southeast Asian,
Southeast
maybe.
Asian.
Southeast Asian style. It's fire for sure, boo. Your food is definitely fire, and I'm glad that you have this.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you travel a lot for the food? You travel like yes I do.
Yes, I travel for food. Yesterday I was in Sacramento. Get some more rice too.
I know you come, that's why we paid a 10 minutes.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna have this egg with the rice. Put the rice on top.
That's the thing.
Yeah. Wow.
Right?
Oh man. So good. The yolkiness from the egg. Van style fried rice. Savory, salty, sweet factor. Not very spicy.
It looks spicy. It looks fire.
It looks spicy.
It's not spicy. The
It's not
kid can
spicy.
eat it.
The crab. And your hands will definitely get a little sticky and messy, but
That's how you can see it.
dude, look at this. Yeah. Oh, so good. Very tasty, ultimate flavor.
That's like I said, my food is combination.
Yeah.
You cannot eat that alone.
He's right. Don't eat the food alone. Eat it with the egg, eat it with the crab. The combination of flavors,
Right, yeah.
the complexity, this profile of food is just out of this world delicious. He's very nice. Who let me try like other things. He's preparing something else. We're gonna get something else here too. Ooh, garlic too. Taste the garlic. Oh yeah. Baguette. Oh.
The sauce. The
Sauce.
Crab, yeah.
Oh, from the crab sauce. Ooh. So this is the sauce that he uses for this dish here. Special ingredient. Your secret recipe.
Yeah, my crispy.
Yeah.
Crispy.
Ooh. Oh man. I feel like I should just like I wonder if I should dip it or just eat everything together, huh?
You dip it, it's gonna
Dip
together.
it?
Up to
Okay.
you.
I'm gonna dip it real quick. Yeah. Get just a good amount of this special sauce. Pick up.
So hopefully,
Biting this and chasing that with the crab head. Ooh, hot. Oh, yeah, yummy.
right?
Oh. Another bite, another bite. Well, I kind of want to get some more of that sauce again. Woo. That combination with the bread, the special sauce, the crab, some of that rice, just like bite after bite of yumminess. Masarap, in Filipino, that means delicious.
Yeah.
Masarap. I'm gonna get some of this sauce by itself and maybe chase it with the bread. It is so good. Oh. Like that. Just like that.
Give me a ring. Small restaurant. So it's not the you see the ribeye,
Ribeye.
like sous-vide,
Yeah. Sous vide
and
it.
now we go with the garlic noodle.
Okay.
All right. Wait for this. So it's just like everyone can do that, probably the same thing too. You see, nothing special.
Yeah. I'm sure if you had like those jet fire walks, you know,
I know,
you make
it's
it cook faster. But this is good. Good for.
yeah, the fire they make different taste too. I know a lot of
Yeah.
people do that. A lot of people do that in my thing too.
They
Yeah,
come to report to work.
I know. We started.
Ribeye. Look at that ribeye.
I do.
As Abu begins to prepare this next meal here with the ribeye, it just smells amazing. It already tastes amazing from the crab I had here, but here we are as he's chefing away this ribeye treat. Rest on here.
Yeah, resting for like 2 minutes. Right. You can see.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you see the fat?
Look at that, dude. Oh. It's like medium rare.
Yeah, medium rare.
Oh yeah, perfect. That's how I like. Yes. Oh, those are giant. Wow. That's incredible.
Okay.
The final touches. Your special sauce.
Then my special sauce.
Yeah. Is that the same as the one on the bowl?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
So we make something like
Vu.
fancy.
Vu special sauce. Flakes.
Chili flake.
Not as spicy, but for flavor.
Yeah, it look like fancy a little bit.
Yeah. I like your style. Like there's a certain style you have.
Mm-hmm.
A theme. I remember these eggs, yeah. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, Vu, what do you call this dish?
Ribeye garlic noodle.
Ribeye garlic noodle. What we're gonna do is go straight for that ribeye. I'm gonna go for this chunky piece right here because it's falling and it's probably saying I want to be eaten. So gonna take a piece of that ribeye, pick it up. I have a lingering piece right there. That's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna add a little more onto that ribeye. Same sauce, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just a little bit of that.
That's why I'm not a chef, so I don't have many sauce.
First bite into Vu's ribeye. Oh, I'm so excited. Everything has been super exciting, incredible. Smell, taste, flavor. Let's go.
See the thing,
Oh my
right?
gosh. Oh man. That just collapses. The medium rare, perfectly cooked. That's how I like it. The sauciness, the meatiness, pan fried on the outside and super tender, juicy, bloody on the inside. That's so good. I gotta go again. Oh, not even like, not even tough. No toughness. It's just like easy to bite. The sous-vide style.
Sous-vide time. You can see how I do my food, right? It doesn't take time, but prepare.
Yeah.
But it preparing time is a lot.
Another bite, and I promise I'll chase it with the garlic noodle.
I have to want this.
Woo. Huh?
You have to get it with the sauce.
Eat it with the sauce. We'll add some more sauce. That combination with the sauce.
Because
Yeah.
we don't have the style, so everything has to be together.
Everything works together. He's
Right,
right.
you have to
Teamwork.
put together.
That's
Teamwork.
right. I'll have this bite and then chase it.
After you can
Oh wow. So good. As we discussed, teamwork. Chase it with the egg. Ribeye. Together.
yeah,
Together.
together.
Vu, where can people find you?
You can find me on the Facebook, right?
Under
Under my name,
Vu.
Food Trend, and they can follow my number too.
Okay, so Vu, VU, Tran on Facebook. Okay, there it is. I'll make sure there's nothing private on there.
Yeah, that's not
Okay, okay.
You
Uncle
see
T.
that Uncle T? Uncle T is my nickname.
If you're in the area and you're willing to pick up this amazing food, tell them I said hello. Later.